Welcome to a pivotal moment in effortless automation. Unlock Appium testing skills in 30 minutes. Armed with your Kobiton API key, it's time to integrate it into your Appium script. This step is essential for connecting your script with Kobiton's devices, enabling you to run automated tests on real devices. Integrating your Kobiton API key is the key to unlocking the full potential of your Appium script. By adding this piece of information, you ensure your script can communicate with Kobiton, allowing for seamless test execution. Let's complete your script setup. In Intel EJ, navigate through the project structure to the SRC directory, then the test folder, and then the Java folder under that. And finally to com.kobiton.scriptless automation. Here you'll find a file called config.java. Double-click to open it. This file is the heart of your script's configuration, including the setup for your API key. Locate the line of code designated for the API key. You'll see placeholder text within double quotes. Replace this text with your API key, which you copied to your clipboard in Lesson 6. With your API key now in place, your script is configured to leverage Kobiton's powerful cloud-based and on-prem testing platform. You've bridged the gap between your local development environment and Kobiton's extensive fleet of real mobile devices. Congratulations! Your Appium script is fully prepared for execution. In the next lesson, we'll run your script, watching as it comes to life, performing automated testing on a real device in the Kobiton cloud. The culmination of your efforts is just moments away. See you in the next lesson!